1. I present to you a unique offer. A 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, currently available for purchase at $25,000. This car with a long history is in excellent condition and is a true collector's piece. With only 21,667 miles on the odometer, this Chevy Bel Air is equipped with a powerful 265 V8 engine and a Power Glide automatic transmission. Its body stands out with a magnificent Larkspur blue and ivory color scheme, giving the car an elegant and stylish appearance. The interior is harmoniously designed to complement the exterior, featuring blue shades with silver accents. This car has been in the possession of one family since its original purchase in 1956, and it comes with the original purchase receipt and most maintenance documents from 1956 to the present. It has always been stored in a garage and meticulously cared for by 3 generations. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this delightful 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, which not only represents history, but is also a living testament to time. 2. I present to you an exclusive offer. A 1956 Ford Parklane, currently available for purchase at $79,998. This unique car is a true artifact of automotive history, stunning with its exterior and set of features. With this car, you get more than just a mode of transportation. You acquire a genuine work of art. The body is finished in the attractive Bermuda blue shade, giving it a stylish and elegant appearance. The interior is adorned in shades of blue, creating an atmosphere of comfort and luxury. The car is equipped with a powerful 292 to 200 HP engine and a cruise-o-matic transmission, ensuring unparalleled performance and smooth movement. Among its numerous features are power steering and power brake systems, as well as T-Bird motor and engine dress-up, giving this car a unique character. The car is complemented with luxury and style, featuring elements such as spotlights, fog lights, cattle guard, deluxe mirrors, eyebrow shields, rocker moldings, stone shields, fender skirts, wire hubcaps, white walls, and more. It is also equipped with town and country radio, fold-down seat, cargo cover, making it an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this delightful 1956 Ford Parklane, which is not just a car but a genuine work of art. 3. Currently available for sale is the captivating 1953 Chevrolet 210 base Restomod, priced at $22,500. This car, before falling into the hands of its current owner, underwent a transformation in the Restomod style, combining the classic aesthetics of 1953 with modern technology and comfort. Equipped with a 350 CI V8 engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission, this Chevrolet 210 not only provides external charm, but also outstanding performance. The Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and intake manifold, as well as power management systems, make it a powerful and reliable companion on the roads. With its expressive blue exterior and two-tone interior in light blue and dark blue tones, this car embodies style and elegance. The presence of power steering and a braking system ensures comfort and ease of control. The seller proudly notes that the car is fully paid off, adding confidence to its history and condition. This Chevrolet 210 base Restomod is not just a means of transportation, but a unique opportunity to own a living piece of modern-era history, ready to captivate its new owner for $22,500. 4. An attractive offer on the car market, a 1969 Ford Mustang, available for purchase at $15,000. This Mustang catches the eye with its stylish design, bright yellow exterior color, and automatic transmission. The current mileage is 150,000 miles. Identified as the F code, this Mustang is equipped with a 302 engine. Although it is not original, some restoration work is required. Currently, issues are related to the floor's condition, external defects such as a dent on the front right fender, and the need to replace the rear bumper. Corrosion has also been noted on the rear wings, and replacement of the driver's side inner door panel is required. The vehicle needs brake system maintenance, as the brakes were locked at the time of the last parking. Although the car ran and moved the last time it was used, it now requires service to start and operate, possibly the replacement of the starter and solenoid, as well as the installation of a new battery. The seller notes that he has owned the car for 15 years, but unfortunately doesn't have enough time for its restoration. Despite its current condition, this Mustang provides an excellent opportunity to complete and restore its former glory. Let this car be your new project and recreate it in its full splendor. 5. For sale is a unique 1962 Pontiac Bonneville, presented on the market at a price of $5,600. This car offers you the opportunity to become its new owner and restore it to its former glory. The mileage is 100,000 miles. According to the seller, the Bonneville is equipped with a powerful 389 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, which unfortunately has seized up and requires attention. The car has not been in operation since 1968, making it a potential project for classic car enthusiasts. Upon inspection, the car shows that it has a sturdy structure, requiring some rust repairs. The owner notes the presence of the factory 6-cylinder intake manifold and a 6-chamber aluminum manifold, providing opportunities for additional enhancements. This Pontiac Bonneville represents an excellent opportunity for those seeking an engaging restoration project. 6. For sale is a unique 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo that has covered a distance of 84,000 miles, emphasizing its vintage charm and distinctive character. This pearl with a white exterior and blue interior not only captivates with its looks, but also provides a unique driving experience. The automatic transmission makes handling this iconic car easy and convenient. The single-owner history instills confidence that this Monte Carlo is not just a car, but a history that you can continue. The condition of the car is impressive. A clean title, no significant damages or issues, and full payment give this vehicle an additional status. However, it's not only the history and technical specifications that make this Monte Carlo special. The original 305 HO and numerous additional enhancements give it a unique character on the road. The car runs and moves excellently, and its picturesque exterior is accentuated by a few minor paint defects. The car is undoubtedly a reliable companion, solid and free of rust on the body and frame. The interior is in perfect condition, except for the malfunctioning driver's window switch, a minor issue that can be easily rectified. Unfortunately, the seller did not conduct a detailed cleaning before storing the car for the winter. Additional bonus: 2-inch front spindles for lowering the car are included. This 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is not just a means of transportation. It's an immersion into vintage, history, and style, waiting for its new owner for a reasonable $12,000. 7. Currently for sale is the wonderful 1983 Buick Electra, now owned by a single owner, with a journey of 160,000 miles that gives this classic car a special character and unique style. The cost of this historical Buick is only $4,500, making it an attractive offer for vintage car enthusiasts. The automatic transmission provides ease and comfort in driving, and the bright blue exterior and interior color add elegance and style to this car. A clean title emphasizes the reliability and impeccability of this Buick Electra. The owner has described their car as a true classic, and this is reflected in every detail. Inside and out, the car is impeccably clean, highlighting the care it has received. Special attention is drawn to the unique wheels and tires, adding individuality to this already distinctive Buick Electra. The need for minor technical interventions, such as replacing the transmission oil pan gasket and the coolant pump, is noted as potential tasks, but a new pump is included in the package. This car is ready to move and only requires minor efforts for technical improvement. The 1983 Buick Electra is not just a car. It is a part of automotive history capable of winning the hearts of vintage car enthusiasts at an affordable price. 8. Currently for sale is the captivating 1978 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, representing a unique offer at just $4,100. This Cadillac, with a mileage of 130,000 miles, epitomizes the style and elegance of its era. The automatic transmission provides smooth and comfortable driving, adding enjoyment to every trip. The brown-toned exterior, matching the interior, creates a distinctive appearance that reflects the character of this Cadillac DeVille. The seller honestly notes that the car is not perfect and requires attention. Despite the excellent engine performance and good handling, there is some work needed to address rust around the vinyl top. The interior also requires restoration work, and the seller emphasizes that while the car looks great in photos, there are some defects to consider. This 1978 Cadillac DeVille is not just a car. It's an opportunity to take on a piece of history by putting in some effort for its restoration. For a reasonable $4,100, you get the chance to own a cult car that, despite its imperfections, still exudes unique charm and style. 9. Currently for sale is the thrilling 1964 Chevrolet Corvette, available for $49,900. This iconic Stingray with 50,000 miles on the odometer embodies not only classic style, but also history captured in every detail. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a beautiful red exterior, this masterpiece adds extra visual charm. However, the true highlight of this car is its origin and preservation. It is a matching numbers car, a 1964 Stingray with the original leather interior in excellent condition. The heart of this classic Corvette is a 375 horsepower, 327 cubic inch engine, giving the car not only exterior elegance but also roadworthy power. It's important to note that the seller has all receipts from the last 40 years, emphasizing care and attention to detail over many years. Interestingly, the fuel injection was removed by a previous owner in the 70s due to reliability issues, adding an extra aspect of uniqueness and history to this car. It's not just a vehicle, it's a time capsule, preserving a legendary legacy and style. With this 1964 Chevrolet Corvette, you don't just become a car owner. You become a custodian of history, driving a legend, available for the price of $49,900. 10. Currently available for sale is the stylish 1982 Chevrolet 1500 C10, priced at $15,600, providing an opportunity to own a unique piece of history. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this Chevrolet embodies the style and power of those years. An automatic transmission, white exterior, and black interior give this car not only external elegance, but also a certain mystery. It's worth noting that this 1982 Chevy Silverado C10 is equipped with a small block Chevy 350C engine and a 700R4 transmission with overdrive, adding extra performance. The seller honestly notes that the car is in excellent condition and has many new parts. Custom paint and a tonneau cover with a body splash guard give this Chevrolet a unique look. Additionally, the car features air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes, making it not only stylish but also comfortable for daily driving. With this 1982 Chevrolet 1500 C10, you get more than just a car. You get a true collector's piece that is stored in the garage and ready for exhibitions. It's not just a means of transportation. It's history ready for a new chapter in its journey. Available for the price of $15,600.